Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Jerry. This is the first video where we show you the ingredients, okay? We have a pizza dough ball here, Buddy's Pizza, which is Italian pizza dough. We have Fermano's pizza sauce, which is a really good sauce for pizza. And we have some quesadilla cheese, and some mozzarella cheese, and olive oil, and the brush for the olive oil to go on the pan and also on top of the pizza. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that pizza ball and we are going to shape it, and then after we're done shaping it, we're going to come back and show you what it looks like, and then Jerry's going to put the toppings on for you, and then we'll do the second, well, that'll be the second video, but this is the beginning. This is all the ingredients that we're using, and so we'll call this video 1, and we are out.